come to Abuja and sign. So this brings us to the conclusion of the signing the court. We now go on with the rest of
the Social Democratic Party, Chairman and candidates. Social Democratic Party, Youth Party, Chairman. Young Progressive Party, Chairman and candidates. Young Progressive Party, Chairman and candidates. Zenith Labour Party, Chairman and candidates. Just in case you didn't really hear when I mentioned the party to sign, please draw attention to that. And just to understand, thank you very much for the work you do.
Today you are here, although you didn't sign, but I want to ask, why exactly did you now come?
If we didn't come, the essence of not signing Nigerians will not understand, most especially Edo people will not understand. We have high regards for the chairman of the National Peace Committee, General Abdul Salami. He has integrity. He has all what it takes to really chair this committee. And we believe in the principles of the Peace Committee. What we are saying is that the Nigerian police is behaving as if they are the armed wing of the APC. And we've listed all our grievances and all our issues that the police has refused to address. And because they have refused to address these issues, we are saying we are not going to sign. I have here with me the families of my members that are in police custody for up to 2 weeks. Their wives and their kids. In fact, one even has his mother here in this hall. This publication, this is Vanguard. You all know Vanguard. Look at this. We didn't do this. This page shows all those that were at the airport the day the shooting happened. None of these people have been arrested, and you expect us as a political party. The PDP is a process party. We think. We are not like this other party that don't think. We think, and we came to the inevitable conclusion: signing the peace treaty is like signing a death warrant, and we have refused to sign it. And we expect them to do the needful by releasing all our people that have been arrested in their jail for the past 2 weeks. So we think that this is the reason why we are not signing. We think the Nigerian police is so partisan under this very, very biased IGP, and we are asking that he should take off his hands from Edo. That Edo is not like any other state in this country.
Thank you.
It's not PDP making. These are the people that we are at the airport that day, and their names and faces are all here. As we speak, fellow Nigerians, none of these people are invited